So let's see a little more about frames. I am selecting the frame tool here. You can either select it from the toolbar or the shortcut key for that is F. If I click on F, you can see that my cursor will change. And this is my frame cursor. Now, the moment I select that, I will have all these options. These are the default standard options available for a screen size. Now, let's assume we are designing for a mobile. Okay, so I can pick for mobile directly a standard mobile size from this right hand side panel. If we are designing for a tablet, then we have these options. For desktop, the following, and so on. We will stick to phone and desktop. These are the two sizes that we will be considering throughout our learning. Let's try with a desktop. I will click on desktop and it's giving me a standard desktop size. I will say this is my testimonial page. Okay, now this is my frame. Anything I put inside this, okay, I will move this frame. I will click, drag and bring it here. You can see the layers are currently two different layers, which means one frame is outside the other frame. When you have your complete page designed, you will see that there is one frame, which is the main outer frame, and many nested frames inside it. That's how your design file will eventually start to look. So I am bringing this frame, this my testimonial name unit. I am bringing it inside the testimonial page, and as you can see, it is now part of the frame. The thing that we need to do here is we need to change the color of the font. Why? Because my background is also white. When you select a frame, you can see we have seen width, height, we have seen all the other options. Auto layout, we'll come to that later. Constraints, we'll come to that later. We have seen fill and stroke. Okay, fill and stroke. Let's see once again here. I have selected the main frame. Now it has a white color. Let's try and change the color and see what happens. So this is my fill color for the frame. This is my stroke color for the frame. Okay. That's the stroke, but we don't need it, so I'll remove it. However, when I select this frame, we can see here selection colors. Now all the colors that are being used inside this frame can be seen here. All of them will be listed here. So this is a white color background, and here I have a text which is in white color. Now I don't need to select both the text individually. What I'll do is I can see that these are the two colors which are selected. I will click here because my text is white and I can change the color. Now before changing the color, I will do a Control Z so that we can go back. If you want to see where exactly this color is being used in this frame, because right now I can't see it, what you can do is you can simply select this. You can go to selection and do this. It will show you where the target is. So now it has selected only those two items and it allows me to change my text color. So that's how you can change the color of multiple items within a frame. This is something which applies to group also. Any element that has multiple objects, that has multiple colors, you can change it using selection colors. Now this is my UI element. Now let's say I have some more elements here. I have, let's say, 3 testimonials. Okay, I'm replicating them and I have some more, so I need to increase this, the size of my page, the height of my page. So I'll increase it like this. Okay, however, if I put everything in group, it will start to distort, and that is the reason why the outermost part of your screen, the main screen, is a frame, and all the UI elements inside it is a frame. That's about frames. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.